Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will share how to make methi egg curry with you all. For that we need boiled eggs. In a bowl, take onion and garlic paste, green chili paste, plain yogurt and a tablespoon of salt and mix it. Now add oil and fry the boiled eggs until it turns to golden brown. Now in the same oil add Garam Masala, fry it for a second, then add the mixture. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the fried eggs and 1 tablespoon of Kasoori Methi, then mix it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Methi egg curry recipe is ready. If you want, you can try this once, and if you like this recipe, then please do like, share and comment down below. And for more amazing recipes, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.